With affiliate marketing and free visitors, you may make up to $90,000 in a single month, and I believe that this business model is suitable for everyone. So in today's video, you will be able to make a passive amount of money because you don't need a website for this. You may start without any money and work from anywhere, as you don't need to create a product. As a result, you are free to work on this business whenever and from wherever you like. With all of that said, affiliate marketing is actually the simplest way to start earning money online, even if you have no prior experience. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can start earning money with affiliate marketing in 2023 by utilizing only free traffic. We'll through it, step by step and smoothly. Let's now discuss what affiliate marketing actually is. With affiliate marketing, you are being paid each time you help influence a sale on a certain website. As an illustration, some businesses provide dog training services for $1,000 each and offer a 50% commission on each purchase. Now, if you were to acquire an affiliate link, you would find individuals who might need a dog training, possibly some dog owners, and each time a person purchases that dog training through your link, you would profit by $500. In this instance, this makes it perfect for new beginners. Since you don't need to make your own website, sales page, or product or service, you can avoid creating all of these things. Like delivering that product or service, you don't need to handle customer service or any other hard or boring tasks. However, all you have to do to earn money when someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link is to share it with others. Before we discuss how I use affiliate marketing to generate over $3,000 in passive money each day, let's first discuss step 1, which is picking the best affiliate offer. There are obviously some niches that get better results and more sales, and there are also obviously some niches that make a lot less money. However, a lot of people would advise you to choose an offer for affiliate marketing that you are passionate about, which I think is stupid and does not work. So even if you have a passion for art, if there isn't a decent affiliate program related to it, or if you can't find someone to buy an affiliate program in the art niche, it will be best to stick with something else. Here are a few affiliate marketing themes that are now popular and yield outstanding returns as a replacement. The top niche is the lifestyle niche. This includes all matters pertaining to fashion, jewelry, and travel. The second niche is in finance. This covers all aspects of investing in stocks and monetary matters. Third on the list is tech niche, which includes all things software and web hosting related. Niche number 4 is food and cooking. This covers all matters for cooking and food. Additionally, there is currently a niche for crypto NFTs and anything related to the metaverse. And after selecting your niche from the top 5 I just listed, you will now move on to the second phase. The second step is to choose the best affiliate offer. To do so, you can either use an affiliate network or marketplace such as clickbank.com, digistore24.com, or partnerstack.com, or you can simply use Google to search for your niche plus the keyword affiliate product program. However, if you choose to advertise a certain product in the niche, you can go to partnerstack.com and visit their marketplace if you decide to stick with the niche and want to promote some software as a service. Additionally, whenever you access partnerstack.com on the homepage up here, click on Discover Programs afterwards. Click on Explore Marketplace, and that's going to show you different tools that you can promote as an affiliate. For example, this one is going to pay you $50 for every new customer. This one is going to pay you an average of 25% commission per deal. This one is going to pay you 25 commission, this one is going to pay you 30 commission, 35 here, 20% per referral, and much, much more. So as you can see, all these different offers will pay you different amounts of money. You will just select some category. If you scroll down a little bit, select some niche, for example, content creators, and then you can get paid fairly and on time, and grow your following, or access marketing materials. Now click on Discover Programs. And here you go. All of these programs pay a commission starting from 20% to 50%, and sometimes more. You only need to click on it, and it will display information about their affiliate program. In this case, you can find out that they will pay you by Stripe or PayPal, but if neither of them are accessible in your location, they also offer ultra-alternative methods. To obtain your affiliate link, all you have to do is click Apply the program and then register as an affiliate. If, however, you want to select a different niche, you can also go to digistore24app.com and then just click Start. Now it's free if you sign up, and then you can create an account in less than 60 seconds. Once you create an account, up here click on Marketplace, then all the offers are now on the left-hand side. You're going to be able to choose from different categories and niches. Then you will just select the category that you want to focus on. Find the product that you want to promote and just press promote. Now once you view that they will generate an entire affiliate link for you, you can copy with one click of a button. The next step is to make your affiliate link a little more appealing and clickable because it most likely seems messy and long. Your affiliate link will seem brief and concise when you enter it into this box using bit.ly or b.ly and click shorten. Getting free visitors through your affiliate links is the fourth stage. When you ask someone how you should really promote your affiliate links, you notice that you can finally make money with affiliate marketing. Most people, or even 99%, believe that you should run Facebook advertisements, Google ads, or any other sponsored traffic and spend thousands of dollars on that paid traffic. But there are many other ways to achieve it. You can generate traffic for no cost and earn much more money. Therefore, I'm going to show you how to generate free traffic and earn much more rather than wasting money on paid advertisements. The faceless YouTube automation channels, which basically run the YouTube channels where you don't reveal your face or film any videos, are the top source of free traffic that I personally recommend to you. Some of the richest YouTube automation channel examples are those that discuss luxury and money. According to Social Blade, these channels receive 3.5 million monthly views and earn over $14,000 in ad revenue, which is the cherry on top. So you can see how YouTube is so wonderful. In addition to providing free traffic from YouTube, however, depending on how many views you receive, YouTube will also pay you at the end of the month. So rather than spending money on advertising, you are actually getting paid to promote your affiliate links. Here's another example that's a lot easier to replicate. Here they're basically reposting someone else's TikTok videos, and they're pulling thousands of millions of views. And you can see in total they have more than 150 videos with more than 1 billion views. And if you want to use the same traffic source as them, then just complete the following steps. Go to Fake Talk first and locate some great videos. By clicking this button, you can copy the video link. Visit snaptik.com, put that huge chat link into this box, and then click a button to instantly download a video. Simply re-upload the video if you're a new channel, and give the video's owner credit in the title or description. Since the entire process only takes a minute, you can repeat it to get at least 5 to 10 videos re-uploaded each day. The more you do this, the more likely it is that some of your videos will go viral and receive a lot of views, which you can then use to generate affiliate revenue. The sixth and last step is to begin promoting your affiliate link on your brand new YouTube automated channel. Simply upload your YouTube video that you have already made and that you have downloaded on your laptop. Then in the description box, add your affiliate link product that you'll be promoting in your YouTube video. And boom! Here you go, now you'll be having traffic. And finally, you will get your money from every click on your affiliate link. But if you publish focused on one content, for examples, you make videos on expensive watches and use an affiliate link to advertise these expensive watches in one of the videos, the likelihood that many people would actually click on that link and buy some of those watches is therefore very high, allowing you to profit from affiliate marketing. And surely you will find all the links in the descriptions down below. Subscribe to Moneyflow to be the first one making money online, and don't forget to leave your comment down, hit the like button for more methods. Check out the last video.